Ever wondered if those natural teeth whitening hacks actually work, or if they're just internet mythology? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into proven natural methods that could give you that dazzling smile you've been dreaming of without the trip to the dentist. Stick around because what you're about to learn could save you time, money, and a lot of unnecessary frustration. Let's face it, having a bright, sparkling smile isn't just about vanity. It's about feeling confident and ready to take on the world without hesitation. Whether for a job interview, a first date, or just living your everyday fabulous life, a wider smile can make all the difference. In this video, we'll uncover which natural methods truly work and which ones are, well, just a bit of a joke. Spoiler alert, we've sifted through a ton of crazy suggestions, so you don't have to. All right, gear up for some toothy knowledge because we're diving headfirst into genuine, scientifically backed teeth whitening hacks that you can try at home. First up, let's talk about baking soda, a staple in our kitchens and, surprisingly, a fantastic tooth whitening agent. Studies show that brushing with a paste made of baking soda and water can break down the molecular structure of stains on your teeth, making them disappear like magic. But beware, too much of this magic can wear down enamel over time, so moderation is key. Next on our list is the mighty coconut oil pulling. Sounds weird, I know, but this ancient Ayurvedic technique has been gaining modern traction for its gentle yet effective whitening properties. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in minutes, and you're doing your teeth a favor. Scientific evidence suggests its antimicrobial properties reduce plaque and buildup, leading to a brighter smile. Let's not forget about the power of hydrogen peroxide. Many over-the-counter whiteners concentrations of this, but you can use a diluted mixture at home safely. However, I wouldn't be swishing it daily. Intensity is the game plan here to avoid. And hey, we cannot ignore strawberries. Yes, I said strawberries. They contain malic acid on your teeth. But here's the catch. You should brush and damage your teeth. Remember, folks, the goal is the secret weapon, activated charcoal. Beware, this one can get a bit messy. Hire it for a few minutes, but it could be, although evidence is still limited. Many swear by its staining removal capabilities, just the wrong way. In conclusion, while there are plenty of homes there, not all are created equal. It's all about finding a balance and integrating safely into your routine. Because who wants to floss with licorice or brush with banana peel anyway? And there you have it. Natural teeth whitening tricks straight from the pages of science and tradition, with its own little twist and condition, but promising to give you that glow. Did any of these surprise you? Or maybe you have tried and true teeth whitening? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed this smile brightening journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Oh, jaw-dropping info. Until